Hi, and welcome to Window Cleaning Dude. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the hand brush. So once again, as a beginning window cleaner, another tool that you're going to want to have in your arsenal of tools is the hand brush. I have a hand brush here. You can get something very similar to this. It doesn't have to be this specific one. In fact, I actually like ones that are a little bit longer. It's just the one I have on hand at the moment. I will leave a link in the description below for the one that I recommend, that I actually prefer over this one. You could also find that link on my website, windowcleaningdude.com. Now with this hand brush, the reason why you want a hand brush like this is so that when you are cleaning the outside tracks of the home, if they're really dirty, typically I don't always clean the outside tracks right away before I start washing the window on the outside, but if they're extremely dirty, I know that when that water comes down, hits that track, that dirt's going to just turn to mud. And so if it's that dirty, if it's really caked in there, then I'm going to get out my, I might get out my little detailing brush, or I might get out my little paint key and kind of break it up, and then I'll just get the big hand brush and brush that stuff out of there. Also, if there's any like cobwebs just around the framing of the glass, I'm going to go ahead and hit that at that time, or on the framing itself, like if it's a up and down or a side-to-side window. Sometimes spiders like to build cobwebs in there. I'm going to hit that up, knock all that stuff out of there before I start my window cleaning process. That way I don't have to worry about cobwebs streaking across the glass, getting, when you go to squeegee and wash, sometimes cobwebs are very resilient and it will streak when the rubber hits. And also with the dirt, once again, I won't have a big bunch of mud down there in the track. So definitely want a hand broom also, or a hand brush. Also, what's nice about the hand brush is if you do have to do the dry method for cleaning screens, this is perfect. And sometimes, you don't have a choice. You have to dry brush a screen. Like if it's a screen that's not going to come out of the window, you will come across that. Whether it's not coming out because it's just stuck, or it's just the window's built that way, or as I mentioned in one of my other videos, I did clean the big mansion that I cleaned. All those screens are screwed in with several screws, right? And there ain't no way I'm gonna go and do like 100 windows and unscrew all these screws in every single window. Just isn't gonna happen. So I use my hand broom on those. It's just not worth it. I could literally just spend all day just unscrewing the screws from those screens without trying to jack them up. They're very expensive windows, and so you might find a situation like that where you're gonna need to have a hand broom. You never know when you're gonna need a hand broom, so get one. They're very inexpensive. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link down below for my recommended hand broom that I think you should purchase. And if not, then purchase one similar, whatever, it doesn't really matter. Just make sure you get one of these. So this video is short and sweet, it's to the point. It's an easy add-on item, and it's gonna just save you some headaches as you're out window cleaning. So if you like this video, you found this information useful, hopefully you did, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job here, and it helps my channel out. Also, I'd love for you to be part of the window cleaning community here on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to comment down below and hit that notification bell for upcoming videos, and I will see you in the next video.